Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to run all type kernel manager, like KernelSU, Magisk and SukiSU with advanced features and flash via custom kernel images and with custom Orange Fox recovery. So without waste any time, let's do it. So you can't do anything without unlocked bootloader. First you should unlock your device and then you can do this. First, we will install Superuser kernel manager apps. After that, we will flash custom kernel images or zip via Orange Fox recovery. But you can flash these kernels via any custom recoveries. So, I will provide you these custom kernel links in my video description or comment section. Please don't skip any part of this video. Watch full video, because every step of this video is important for you. Now, I will flash Orange Fox custom recovery via Orange Fox APK. But this APK will not work in some devices because it's run in modified device. But you can flash this Orange Fox recovery via OTG USB DB shell or other third-party apps. Here you can see that Magisk is not running because the device is not rooted yet. And the KernelSU or SukiSU are showing that the device is not supported. It will support only GKI kernel. We will run these manager via custom kernel zip or images. Now to reboot into recovery, we will restart the device and then continuously press the volume down button. Here you can see, after rebooting into recovery. Now we will flash some custom kernel and kernel boot images. Here you can see, the Magisk manager is running successfully. That is your choice as your need. I would suggest you should install safe or secure kernel manager with his advanced features, like KernelSU, SukiSU, and KernelSU next, and these are hiding root into the system. Now, we will flash SukiSU custom kernel zip and will run SukiSU kernel manager APK. After flashing kernel zip, We will restart the device to run SukiSU Manager. Here you can see, the SukiSU kernel manager is running successfully. Now I will delete other Superuser apps. You can flash some modules as you need. After that, you will restart your device to run modules. Now I will flash root modules again, because the modules will be deleted automatically after uninstall Magisk or Superuser apps. The FPS Unlocker module is my favorite module, because it's giving higher FPS in the games with permanently. Now the rooted modules is running successfully, and I liked SukiSU Kernel Manager because it's simple and with advanced features. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.